Okay guys, so today we're doing a on-feet video of the Lebron 10. I don't even know what these are called. The color scheme is seaweed green, atomic green, and I don't know what the last one is. But these are a big bulky shoe. It's a little bit thick on the bottom because if you guys know, LeBron is a big guy, so he's got to have a lot of support on the bottom of his shoe. These are real. Yes, they purposely put the check backwards on these. As you can see the Volt, the seaweed green upper with the Flywire dynamics. If you look closely, you can see the Flywire dynamics. It has I can't tell if that's, these laces are they're dash marked. The Volt bottom, the LJ logo is clear, but it's got the Volt see-through. Yeah, same on both shoes. These go good in two ways. You can have them, and then you can see the nuclear symbol. You can see if you look closely onto the back of the shoe that there's a nuclear symbol with LeBron dunking on it. Now, if you guys are wondering why we have them laced up two different ways, it's because you can rock these shoes two different ways. If you're gonna ball in them, you rock them like the right shoe, like my right side shows, which is probably the left shoe, which the left shoe shows that you can rock them tied up tightly, laced all the way up to the top, tied up tightly. Or the right shoe for you shows that you can rock them not tied, but laced all the way up to the top. Now, there's some things that I want to let you guys know about these that are major things that you could probably mess up your shoes doing. These, if you're going to use these to play basketball in, and you want to change the lace colors, please don't do it yourself, because there's a special tool needed to change the laces in these. Because once you take the laces off, if you can tell, there's the Flywire technology through it. You mess up the Flywire loops on the shoe by doing that. So go to the Nike store. If you're going to change the laces, go to the Nike store. They'll happily do it for free. But there's a couple set colorways that they have in these. These are one of the set colorways. I recommend going a size bigger than what you actually do. Than what you actually wear. That's pretty much it. There's also some other minor things, like the aerodynamic technology that they have in the shoe is different. Because if you look on the if you look right about here in here, that's the airbag, that's the aerodynamic technology in that, and then the airbag is clear with the Volt green on the bottom of it. It's got the Volt green. It's got the Volt green swoosh. The lace tips are Volt green. They say one lace says LeBron, one lace tip says LeBron, one lace tip says James. That is the same on both shoes. It's not different. It's not like one shoe lace tip say LeBron and one lace tip shoe say James. Now, if you're gonna rock these with shorts of some sort, make sure you're going to do this knowingly that you will look a little goofy, because they are bulky shoes. But if you're known for wearing big bulky shoes, then you won't get made fun of as much. But if you're gonna look a little, if you're a small person, such as myself, I'm not that tall. I'm only about 5'4". But I'm not done. Well, let's not go there. I'm only about 5'4". My brother here, he's about 5'7" so he doesn't look as crazy in them. Like on the other hand, one of my other friends has these. This has the Stealth 10s, which are all black, and he's like really skinny, but he's tall, so he's gonna look retarded in them. And I'm gonna let him know first because he knows that I'm gonna be honest with him. And actually, if you look here, which I think this is the Hosta, this is the cushioning. The cushioning is like a lighter shade of this, but a darker shade of this. So it's like right in the middle. On the 10s, they do that on purpose. If you look closely, you can see the fly wire through the arrow, through the hyperfuse technology, which is what that's called. My bad for calling it aerodynamics. That's flight, which Lebron has. There's a lot of other minor things, like they're not any lighter than Hyperdunks. They actually range from the same thing, from the same weights. Now, that's pretty much it.
We'll also have a Hyperdunk on feet
Video coming up soon.
But keep in mind they're going to be a little dirty because we do ball on them. So.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe.